Okay, so in this reaction, we're taking some aluminum foil, which came right from the kitchen, and reacting it with copper chloride solution. So aluminum copper chloride solution. I have some copper chloride solution right here in this test tube, and the aluminum foil, which I turned into a little ball. I don't know, just a bunch. And it kind of floats a little bit because there's some air trapped in there. And bubbles are produced in this reaction. And you can see the surface of the aluminum foil becoming very dark and maybe even a reddish color. I'm going to shake it and you can see that those chunks are becoming dislodged. That's new copper metal forming. And right now, what's happening is the copper ions that are dissolved in the copper chloride solution are getting their electrons back and they're turning into copper metal. So when copper ions are dissolved, they produce blue solutions, and as more and more of the copper ions are being removed from that solution and turned into that grungy looking copper metal on the bottom, that solution is becoming less and less blue. The reaction itself is quite warm. It gives off quite a bit of heat, and ultimately when all of the copper ions have turned into copper metal, all that chunky stuff in the bottom, we will have a clear solution left behind because there will be no longer any copper ions in the solution. So if we look at the reaction, we're taking aluminum plus copper 2 chloride. Those are copper 2 ions. The copper ions are getting their electrons back to form copper metal, and aluminum chloride is dissolved in the solution. And again, this is quite warm. It's a pronounced exothermic reaction. It's releasing quite a bit of energy.